Hey, good morning, everybody. So I got another little project going on here. It's basically a gate. It's all aluminum gate. And last year I built this gate here. It spans about exactly 119 inches, and it's a little over 10 feet or so. Um, and so I built this aluminum gate and put some perf on it on the other side, but apparently my friend who I built it for, he kind of changed his mind. He wanted this gate to be a little taller, so it was originally going to be a 4 foot from here to here, so it stands 4 feet high from the driveway. And now he came back to me and said, hey, you know what? I changed my mind. I want to go a little taller. So I said, okay, well, let's make it taller. So now what I'm doing is got some more material. It's basically a 2x6, 125. And pretty nice material. So anyway, it's a little too big for my shop area. So I decided to do it out here, and I'm gonna, instead of TIG welding this thing, I'm gonna use that thing, a spool gun, aluminum spool gun. It's a Spoolmate 150. So I've used it several times, you know, when I work outside, and I run it off of a Miller 211, which is this is a really nice unit. A plasma cutter down there, a couple of tanks. There's a argon, and then here I got 2575. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and extend this thing, make it a little taller. So right now I've got the thing clamped up, and I'm going to add this extension to the top here, so it's going to be a little taller, roughly about 6 feet to be exact. So that's what I'm working on right now, and what I've done is, you know, try this thing out to see if, you know, what's going to happen here. When you weld this stuff, it comes really dirty, so I have to use a brush, and this is only for aluminum. So I scrub it down, brush it off, get it all nice and clean, make sure I get whatever that stuff is off of here. Then I get some acetone and I clean it up really nice. And since it's kind of cold, I'm using this guy. So I just kind of heat it up, warm it up a little bit to kind of help me out, and I throw a bead right through there and get that thing nice and welded. I'm using some of the these fixtures that they're really nice. So 90-degree fixtures, and yeah, they work really well. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. There's my favorite helmet. Yeah, Caterpillar. So, okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back and got this thing all done. Here's the original panels and the extension of the gate. It's pretty much done. All we need to do now is to grind these welds down, get these things all nice and smooth. Got it all welded up here, so you can see some of the welds in between there. Got everything all nice and welded up, and there was a correction on the diameter of this the gate. This is a 2 by 4 by 125 aluminum. So I was going to cap these off here, but I decided not to, since we're going to do something else there. And besides, you know, when this thing is up, we're going to put some paneling on top and maybe put some rivets, as opposed to welding. It'll just have panels. And that's pretty much the gate. We'll hang this thing later, and once it's all been grinded down and prettied up and painted. So yeah, the perf will probably get covered up. We don't want to see through. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's the gate. Thanks for watching. All right, so the gate's all done, pretty much where we want it to be. And you can see what it looks like installed at my friend's house. There's the perf. Kept that in there. Kind of gives it a kind of a decorative look. And we got some hinges back there, fully adjustable. Came out really nice, actually. Yeah, the glare, it's can't really see it, the video. Of course, we got some really cold weather and it's been raining, but let's see here. It's nice and smooth. You can hardly hear it. Oh, you can't even hear it. It's so smooth. So there it is. Blocks everything. The original was right this high like this. That's why the hinges are right here. But it's an aluminum gate, so it's nice and light. I didn't have to put another hinge up on top or transfer the hinge to the top, because it worked out pretty good. And yeah, that looks really, really good. The perf, the way we put that, we just put those panels on top like that. We didn't put rivets on here. We just kind of siliconed them on there for now. And it's got some JB Weld on there. But eventually we'll put the rivets in there. It's got a little lock right here. Just like that. Works out pretty good. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you like it, and I'll share it with you guys. Thanks again for watching. Comment if you like. See you next time.